Choosing the right doctor is one of the most important decisions you make, and yet most people spend more time researching major purchases than they do researching healthcare professionals. SNN local news reporter Stidham has more on that and what you can do to make sure the doctor you choose is the best one for you and your family.
Sarasota Memorial Hospital recently received more than a dozen five-star awards given out by Health Grades, making the decision of choosing a doctor a little bit easier. That new refrigerator may be important, but so is your health. A recent survey by Health Grades and Harris Interactive found Americans spend more time researching their appliances and phone plans than they do their doctor, and it all comes down to convenience.
Are they covered by my insurance? Are they in network? Are they close to my work or home? And can I get an appointment? And while convenience is certainly important in our very busy lives, it does not trump quality, and it's not a proxy for quality.
Health Grades may also aid some locals making that decision. Sarasota Memorial ranks among the top 100 hospitals in the nation for stroke care. SMH also earned more than a dozen other five-star accolades, including their care for heart attacks, orthopedics, and pulmonary services.
Be able to work together again with all these expert physicians, expert nurses in an area where we really have some significant needs in terms of our elderly population, to make sure that we target our programs to their specific needs.
They rely on family, they rely on what's close and local reputation. I think it's possible to be both, though. I think Sarasota Memorial is a good example of that. You know, here's a hospital that's the community hospital for Sarasota County. It also happens to be one of the best hospitals in the country. So that's one of those instances, I think, where the research will pay off.
Health Grades recommends that you first determine exactly what kind of doctor or medical specialty you need, and just know it's not rocket science.
I believe that Americans sometimes feel uncomfortable thinking that they have the skills to assess the quality of a doctor or hospital. But you know what? Consumers are smart, and the data is simple enough that you can translate it so that it turns into useful information for you. And I think that we have to dispel this myth that we don't understand how to assess quality. We do. The information is there for us to use it.
Those at Sarasota Memorial suggest researching ahead of time. You don't want to be unsure of your medical preferences in the middle of an emergency. Those at Sarasota Memorial say it's important to check more than one source when selecting a hospital. Instead, check for consistency across the board in several sources. Reporting outside Sarasota Memorial Hospital, I'm Stidham, SNN Local News.